everybody, in this video I am going to be sharing with you guys such a beautiful collection from KB Shimmer. Today I have the Just Add Water collection to share with you guys. So when you guys can see, so pretty. So if you were lucky enough to go to the Polish and Beauty Expo in Chicago, you already had a chance to get your hands on these. If you are a poor sad soul like me who did not make it to the Polish and Beauty Expo in Chicago, these will be available on the KBShimmer Site starting August 1st. And there's some really beautiful polishes in this collection. So I'll have all the information for KB Shimmer down below, as well as polish names and price. And let's get started talking about these because, oh my god, they're so good. First polish to share with you guys is called Rock the Float. Look at that. So floating on a tube heading down the river while surrounded by good friends is a classic summer activity. Some tie their colorful rings together to keep from separating, while others break out giant flamingos and unicorns for unique floats that grab attention. No matter your float style, time spent on the water with friends is always a great way to kick back and relax. Rock the Float is a bright hot pink nail polish loaded with shifting shimmer, golden hues sparkle, and show off hints of peach in the sun, while softer lighting brings out hints of tangerine, rose, and fuchsia. This near metallic shimmery polish is perfect for a day filled with inflatable fun, best in 2 to 3 thin coats. This, you guys, oh my gosh. So in my lighting, there's like this really beautiful sort of like purpley blue shimmer. Obsessed. This is a super flattering shade. I feel like this type of color will look good on almost anybody. Great formula, 3 coats to get opaque. I agree with her. I do recommend them to be more on the thin side. And so good, you guys. The glossy top coat like really brings this polish to life. Like, they look really good without it, but once you put on the glossy top coat, like the shimmer just really like, here I am. Obsessed with this, you guys. You guys know I love pink, so obsessed. Let's get into live swatching of Rock the Float. Next up is going to be Flip Out. Every summer season, a new pair of flip-flop finds its way into my closet. Same, more than one. It would be a bright pair to match a new swimsuit or just a replacement for one blown out by a pop top. Whether they're cheap, everyday neon colored, or higher end cushy pairs made for lots of walking, flip-flops are a summer staple. Flip Out is a bright, almost neon coral leaning orange crelly nail polish. Shifting shimmer adds a pop of glistening gold and peach, and at some angles, while near neon pink and rose hues come out to play in others. 2 to 3 coats add a pop of color to tips and toes for a pull-ready look, perfect for the hottest of days. You guys, I mean, you can see in my camera that this is like blinding. I am obsessed with this polish. This was 3 coats for me, which is fine for a neon. They're easy to put on. I thought I was not going to enjoy the gold shimmer that I see in this because I thought it was going to make it a little bit warm toned, but no, I love this. There's also like a little bit of like blue at certain angles. If you are my skin tone or darker, you guys, like, this is going to be perfect on you because it literally pops. You will probably stop traffic with this. Like, people are literally gonna wreck their car when they see this on your nails. I love this polish. And it's super easy to work with. Perfect for summer, you guys. Like, so good. So let's get into live swatching of Flip Out. Next up is going to be Let It Slide. Up the stairs you go, winding round and round until you reach that high platform. You can see the whole amusement park from up there. Screams from roller coasters and giggles from splash pad add a fun soundtrack to your upcoming ride. Then it's your turn to go. Settling into your neon tube, you prepare to twist and turn down the slide, rushed along by faster paced water, all for that 60-second adrenaline rush. Let It Slide nail polish is a nod to those thrill seekers that line the water slide stairs. A neon chartreuse shade, Let It Slide, is a squishy near crelly jelly polish loaded with shimmer. In the sun, a hot coppery shimmer pops against the bold yellow-green base. In the shade, the neon color pops with a lighter lemon and peachy shimmer. This shade is best in 3 coats and can be worn over a tinted base or complementary cream for those who want no visible nail line. You guys, this is blinding, and it's like blinding in the best way. This is a straight up highlighter shade. In 3 coats, I did not mind the coverage at all. There might be some visible nail line, but like honestly, I don't think that I remember even seeing visible nail line. So good. If you are neon obsessed, like I am neon obsessed, you guys are going to be obsessed with this. It's just good. Like, it's so good. Great formula. 3 coats to get opaque. The coats go on pretty nice and easy for neon yellow, and the shimmer is gorgeous. Like, I'm obsessed. Let's get inside swatching of Let It Slide. Next one is Dive On In. Hanging out by the pool can bring a lot of fun to hot summer's day. Crystal blue waters mirroring the shade of cloudless skies welcome swimmers to jump in and cool off. Those feeling adventurous might head to the diving board, splashing onlookers with a cannonball or impressing with a sleek dive. Dive On In is a cool blue crelly nail polish inspired by those who brave the diving board. Bold lighting will set off shimmery hues of peach and lime against the blue background. White shades of pink, green, and aqua come out to play in the iridescent lighting. The shimmery shade is best in 2 coats for a polish perfect for the pool. This is really, really pretty, you guys. When I pulled it out, I wasn't sure I was gonna love it. I love blues, but I just was like, I was wondering how it would be on my skin tone, and then like the shimmer seemed sort of like similar to the polish. I don't know what I'm trying to say, but when I put this on, it was literally like the ocean. All the shimmer just like really comes to light. It's gorgeous on the nail. It is like bright but like iridescent, sort of like fairyish on the nail. But this is like really gorgeous. It reminds me of the ocean. It's like bright, but then it has all this like really gorgeous shimmer. It's sort of like fairyish on the nail. I don't know. It's really pretty though. I really, really, really ended up loving this. If you are into these kind of blues with like all this beautiful shimmer, and it's sort of like, I don't know, I felt like a fairy wearing this. That's all I'll say. So if that's your kind of thing, you need this. So let's get into Dive On In. Splash talking is gonna be next. Whenever you have people and add water, you know there will be some fun times ahead. While splashing in the pool or playing in the lake, those sitting on the sidelines make tempting targets. Talking with fellow sunbathers, gossiping, and chatting about life if you're too close is only a matter of time before you're Splash Talking as a wave of water is sent your way. Splash Talking is a bold ultramarine blue nail polish loaded with color shifting shimmer, indirect light, a fun aqua color shimmers against the blue base with hints of cornflower and lavender showing at some angles. In other lighting, a soft cyan blue morphs into shades of teal and violet with a hint of pink, best in 2 to 3 coats. You guys, this is so pretty. I put this on the nails and like it's bright enough for summer, but I feel like this would work for like winter and fall too. It's just, oh, it's amazing. Let me show it to you next to the other blue just so you can see. This is definitely more like a baby blue, and this is like very bold, but the shimmer is perfect. It's like just, oh, it's good. Let's get into live swatching of Splash Talking. Next up is going to be Melt Down. This is another pink. As the mercury rises and the temperatures near triple digits, we'll do anything to stay cool. The AC blasts and shorts and tank tops become the daily uniform. Trips for frozen treats tempt, even as they melt too quickly in the summer sun. Be it a soft serve cone, an ice pop, or a slushie, those chilly treats give us a brief relief before the temps make us melt down. Melt Down is a vibrant fuchsia nail polish bursting with color. A color-shifting shimmer boasts aqua, mint, and violet hues, while a shocking peak reveals its bold tone at certain angles. The shimmery shade shows off its iridescence best in 2 to 3 coats. So this was a 3-coater for me. But I liked thin coats for this. I think if you do thick coats, you're not going to be too happy. Well, you will be happy because it's pretty, but 3 coats will work. Thin coats will work better. I wanted to show this to you next to the other pink. So this has a little bit more of like a, I don't know, like an orange lean, where this is more like pink. I feel like they're both really pretty, but this one kind of was a little bit more like cool toned, so I feel like I leaned toward this one a little more of the pinks. But this has some beautiful shimmer. It's gorgeous, like so gorgeous, you guys. Again, I feel like if you're in the deeper tones, you're really gonna like the pop off of this. But I think this is a shade again that would look really pretty on everybody. This would be a beautiful pedicure. The shimmer in this is just so beautiful. I feel like you can't see it on camera. My swatch pictures, I think I was able to capture it really well, but amazing, you guys. And let's get into live swatching of Meltdown. Next up is my Fla-vor-ite Color. Running through the sprinkler, splashing in the pool makes a kid crave something cool and sweet. So whenever we saw the brightly colored tubs of frozen sugar water, all you could hear were color requests: red, blue, green, or purple. We chose our sweet treats by color, having faith the color selection would match our desired flavor. Cherry, raspberry, lime, or grape. Those colorful frizzy treats quickly disappeared, leaving nothing but stained tongues and sugar-filled bellies. My Fla-vor-ite Color is a shifty grape-leaning purple nail polish. Hues of magenta, fuchsia, and aqua blue shimmer in low lighting, while pops of teal, green, and pink come out to play in brighter light. This shifty shade is best in 2 to 3 coats, with the third coat deepening the color for a polish that pairs well with any colorful freeze pop. So you guys, the shimmer in this is gorgeous. You could see it here, that blue. When I first saw this, I was like, summer collection, yes, no. Then I put it on and I was like, yes, yes, summer collection. This is super pretty, you guys. I feel like, again, too, though, this is something you could wear in the fall. This is something you could wear in the winter. But this like really deep purple with the blue shimmer, obsessed with it. There's a few brands that have put out something similar to this that you like can't get anymore because people just snatch it right up. So if you have missed out on some of those purple polishes with blue shimmer, you know who I'm talking about, you know who you are, you may want to get this in your collection. Great formula on this as well. I do think the 3 coats are needed, but they go on really nice and smooth. So let's get into my favorite color. And then last up is Kind of Shady. This, one of the most iconic summer fashion pieces are the black frame sunglasses celebrities have worn since the 50s. Whether the classic version or the ones updated with blue mirrored lenses, those are the sunnies people love most to sport. Pop a pair in your beach bag or throw a set in your car. Protecting your eyes has never been more fashionable. Kinda Shady nail polish is a nod to those sunnies beloved by so many. A deep black base sets off a vibrant blue shimmer. In some lighting, the blue features hints of indigo or cobalt. At some angles, the blue almost disappears, giving a deep and mysterious shade that will keep you staring at your nails. Kinda Shady builds up perfectly in 2 coats for most nail lengths. So this was another one. I was like, summer collection, yes, no. Now that I read the inspiration, I'm like, okay. I would not wear this in the summer, but I think it's beautiful. She is right. It's a like very deep, very mysterious, like in the light. You get like a lot of really beautiful shimmer, but then it's like, I don't know, you guys, it's good. My swatch pictures, I don't know if they do it any justice, but it's beautiful. One thing I will say about this is if you do get it on the skin, it is a little bit hard to clean up, so be careful with application. Once you top coat this, the shimmer pops out even more. And I would wear this in the winter. I think it's beautiful. I think with a matte top coat, this would be super, super pretty too. So overall, I really did enjoy this. And let's get into the swatching of Kinda Shady. Look at that shimmer there at that angle. I think you guys can kind of, right here. So good. Okay, so those are the 8 polishes in the Just Add Water collection. I know you guys already know what my favorites are. Like, I don't even have to tell you. I loved these 2, and then I'm also going to go with this blue. It's super, super pretty. So again, this one was flip out. You guys, like, stop. And then, like, this is just blinding. This is called Let It Slide. And then last up is going to be the deeper of the blues, which is Splash Talking. This just gives me like, I don't even know, ocean vibes. Like I feel like I'm in Tahiti. It's beautiful. So overall, this collection was amazing. Great formulas as always. KBShimmer never has a miss, you guys. Like she could put out like a 29-piece collection and 29 of the polishes will have amazing formulas. Like I have swatched for her for a while. The price, the consistency is always there. So like another hit out of the park collection for me. Let me know if you guys went to Polish and Beauty Expo. If you did you get to meet Christy, the maker of KBShimmer? Did you pick any of these up? Because if you didn't, you still have time. If you did not go to Polish and Beauty Expo, do you think you're going to be getting any of these polishes? If you think so, which ones? Did anything catch your attention? And that's it for this video, you guys. If you liked it, please make sure to click the like button down below. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do. And thanks you guys for watching. I will see you on the next video. I hope you're having an amazing day. Bye!